Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Welcome to Zukhruful Quran channel. We are start our next lesson. Surah Al-Baqarah, ayat number 76 to 80. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbi zidni ilma, Rabbi zidni ilma, Rabbi zidni ilma. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. وَإِذَا لَقُوا الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا قَالُوا آمَنَّا وَإِذَا خَلَا بَعْضُهُمْ إِلَى بَعْضٍ قالوا أتحدثونهم بما فتح الله عليكم ليحاجوكم به عند ربكم أفلا تعقلون. Translate. And when the Jews meet those who believe Muslim, they say we believe, but when they meet one another in private, they say, shall you Jews tell them Muslim what Allah has revealed to you, Jews, about the description and the qualities of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, which are written in the Torah, that say Muslim may argue with you Jews about it before your Lord. Have you then no understanding? Ayat number 77. أَوَلَا يَعْلَمُونَ أَنَّ اللَّهَ يَعْلَمُ مَا يُسِرُّونَ وَمَا يُعْلِنُونَ. Now the Jews know that Allah knows what they conceal and what they reveal. وَمِنْهُمْ أُمِّيُّونَ لَا يَعْلَمُونَ الْكِتَابَ إِلَّا أَمَانِيَّ وَإِنْ هُمْ إِلَّا يَظُنُّونَ. And there are among them unlettered people who know not the book, but they trust upon false resorts and they but use. فَوَيْلٌ لِلَّذِينَ يَكْتُبُونَ الْكِتَابَ بِأَيْدِيهِمْ ثُمَّ يَقُولُونَ هَذَا مِنْ عِندِ اللَّهِ لِيَشْتَرُوا بِهِ ثَمَنًا قَلِيلًا فَوَيْلٌ لَهُمْ مِمَّا كَتَبَتْ أَيْدِيهِمْ وَوَيْلٌ لَهُمْ مِمَّا يَكْسِبُونَ. Then woe to those who write the book with their own hand and then say, "This is from Allah," to purchase with it a little price. Woe to them for that their hands have written, and woe to them for they for that they earn thereby. Ayat number 80. وقالوا لا تمسنا النار إلا أياما معدودة قل أتخذتم عند الله عهدا فلن يخلف الله عهده أم تقولون على الله ما لا تعلمون. And the Jews say, the hell fire on the day of resurrection shall not touch us but for a few remembered days. Have you, say, O Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, to them, have you taken a covenant covenant from Allah so that Allah will not break his covenant, or this, or is that you say of Allah that you know not?